Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming into the conventional treatment part. So in the previous section of the video, you have seen where the problem is. So if you're going to a trichologist or to a dermatologist, so here what they will be doing is, first thing they will be giving you steroids. Why? Because this fighting will cause inflammation. So that is why there is pain near the hair root or redness near the hair root. So to suppress this inflammation, they will be giving you corticosteroids. It can be topical corticosteroids, it can be corticosteroid injections or systemic corticosteroids. You know, like I don't have to explain it to you in detail, you know the side effects of corticosteroids or steroids as such. It can cause weight gain, it can cause hormonal fluctuation, it can cause lot of disturbances in the body itself. So here they are just giving steroids to suppress the inflammation. They are not addressing the inflammation. As soon as you stop the corticosteroid or as soon as you stop the steroid, what will happen? It will again start. Okay. And next thing, apart from this, whereas the other problem is you're having problem in the immunity. So what will they do? They will give you topical immunotherapy or they will give immunosuppressants, all of these. So what will happen in immunosuppressants? They're suppressing the body's natural capability to fight, so that this abnormal viewing of the normal cells will be stopped and the problem will be taken care of. But remember, immunosuppressants can lead to other problems. What are that? See, for example, you are taking medication for your hair fall, that is your alopecia areata, either on the scalp or on the body. What is happening? You're taking immunosuppressants and you're putting on corticosteroids. You're gaining weight, you're losing your immunity, and even normal bacteria, which is usual to the surrounding, can start affecting you because you're on immunotherapy or immunosuppressant therapy. Any little thing can cause a lot of reaction or can cause infection. So that because there is no, immune cells are not recognizing it and are not fighting it because of the immune suppression going on. So this is not a proper way of treating, because we are just suppressing the natural immune system. For vital organs, we are not giving protection. We are just taking care of the hair here, but the vital organs can get affected if there is a lot of infection. The other thing is minoxidil. That can be oral JAK inhibitors or other treatments like PRP. All of this will have effect on you, but when you stop it, when you stop taking this minoxidil, or when there is poor blood quality, what will you do with the PRP therapy? There will be no result. See, after stopping minoxidil, the baby hairs which have started to grow will fall off if you are not, addressing the cause. That is immuno problem, or it can be stress, or it can be hormonal disruption, anything. Here the cause is not taken care of, there is only suppression. So that is very, very important that you should remember. Other than that, what do they give? As I told you, PRP camouflage techniques means if you have lost a lot of hair, they can give you some hair samples like hair wigs, so that you can put it on, so that you will not have any sort of social stigma going on in your brain, where you will feel very low psychologically. Everyone, no matter who they are, will feel low if there is no hair or there is patchy baldness. So to combat that, they can give you camouflage techniques. They can be cyclosporin or anthralin or this PRP therapies, all have the same effect. If you stop using it, there will be again reoccurrence of this alopecia areata. See, if you're facing alopecia areata or any hair fall for that matter, so why should you choose homeopathy and not the conventional form of treatment? Let me explain to you in 3 to 4 points to make it easy. First thing, if you're taking conventional form of treatment, it can be corticosteroids, it can be minoxidil, it can be PRP sessions, it can be any other sort of immunosuppressants. What you're doing here is you're suppressing it. You're not addressing the cause. You're not addressing the trigger. You're not addressing the immune mechanism that is going wrong. So, and there are also side effects attached to it, like corticosteroids will have weight gain, immunosuppression can cause infections and all of this stuff. But in homeopathy, you can prevent all that. It is utterly safe to use. It does not have side effects. It also addresses the cause without causing any other damage to any other organ. Like if you're taking immunosuppressant therapy, if there is infection, your lungs can be affected, your stomach can be affected, anything can be affected, right? But in homeopathy, we are just giving medications for your hair fall where there is increase in immune function. So immune dysfunction is decreased and immune function is increased, where this recurrences of this alopecia areata can be reduced, and also it is safe, effective, individualistic, That is, if you are suffering from stress, we have different kinds of medicine. If you are suffering from acute illness, after it has started from after acute illness, there are different kinds of medications. If you are suffering already from some conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, we have good medications to treat that, as well as your hair fall, psoriasis, we have good number of medicines in homeopathy. So we can treat autoimmune diseases as well as your hair fall in a better, safe and healthy manner. So choose homeopathy if you are suffering from any of these. If you're watching this video, if you're suffering from any sort of hair fall, it can be male pattern baldness, female pattern baldness, it can be telogen effluvium, it can be alopecia areata, it can be alopecia universalis or alopecia totalis, anything, and you are looking for cure, here at Fidicus Homeopathy, we have two options. One is the online consultation option if you are staying far away from us, and the other one is in person or offline consultation if you are staying near the nearest branch of Fidicus Homeopathy. So in online consultation, we have two options. One is the audio consultation, the other one is the video consultation. After the consultation, if you need any sort of investigations, we will let you know. If you have any sort of investigations, you can share it with us. And after this process has come to an end, we will be sending you medications to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. If you're staying anywhere else, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, message us, or ping us on this number. If you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're suffering from hair fall, male pattern baldness, female pattern baldness, telogen effluvium, alopecia universalis, alopecia totalis, alopecia areata, any hair fall problem which is regarding to the hormonal fluctuation, any hormonal problem also. If you're looking for cure, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Because Fidicus Homeopathy for highest chance of health. Here we follow three principles. First is already the cases that we are dealing have a high success rate. The transparent treatment, that is, there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be talking to you about your prognosis as well. And the third thing, that is the personal care here at Fidicus, is top notch. If you have any sort of queries, if you have any sort of doubts, we will be clearing you on that as well. If you want to choose cure, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.